Hello everyone, again, here's another video with line charts. Okay, the second one, the time is financial markets by using different indicator. Now we're gonna use the chaos, fractal chaos. I will set up the width 20 on period and the color is up to you. And showing the image. And remove the background so that is this the chart. I'm seeing that you are going to use 1 minute and amount to $35 in the Chaos Fractals. What is about? I can't really use it. Well, it's market support, resistance zone based on lows. If the price breaks that point, the trend will go down. In the deposits will go up. And look and see the price is breaking the resistance. So, right there the resistance. You are getting used with that. Okay? Look, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. It's breaking up with the criterion. This is by the price action. I could wait for the price to pull back a little. Although here thinking closing this round, I'm going to wait until the rate is the middle, and then I will go long. So waiting for back to confirm my entry. I will enter around there. So look the entry on the C8F JPY per. Although, well, talk to do it because I gave it to the here. The price was already low. Right, just get inside of the channel. Look at the criteria. The fractals just give up for the breakout zone, and red line tells me when it breaks the zone, the level or zone. I would prefer the downside, and when this breaks to the upside, it's go up, depending on the trend, right? Here we see that price is reaching resistance zone, which is this means for us making these arrows when the price is trying to stay above it, but it never break through, instead falls below. All right, remember that. I'll wait for it to fall and break through several times. Well, that holy area is where I enter after breakout. That's the criterion. Look here, add support zone I'm making below. It could be the price where reach or that's the price where we're bounding, or we'll have to wait for confirmation. And look at this, guys. First win, and even though it took a while for that at the top, right? But I don't know, it's like a cat. Okay, let's do this again. I'm using 6.5 right now. Okay, that inside of the channel. And that's pretty good. Let's see the movement trend is the balance of resistance zone. It looks like it's breaking. If it's breaking the low, then I'm going to look for the next point, which is below where the Chaos Fractal Line is. Okay, look at the position on that. We gain of this, and the last minute, the last second, the price reacted strongly. $122, the last position won by the Hertz attack. And now I do it as losses that are lost relatively right now. I wait to see what the prices does. Look, it's not going to pass here. The fact is generation resistance in the short term. Look, but it's compressed me. I'm trying to break through the minimum. The biggest fractal chaos that looks generate for me. It's look like it's breaking through. The explorer made to push upward. Don't look at it, it's a lie. Let's wait for that test again. Okay, look here, it's above the falling. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, that's good. Okay, that's very good. So I think it's going to break, but if I think it's very hard to say that. I have to very sure that it's break for me to go long, right? Then I hope it's gain moments and generate bullish forces. I enter here, pull back. I entered at the top of the zone. Everything's telling me yes. It's the previous entry had a hard stop winning, and then that's difficult. Perhaps because I didn't wait for the confirmation as we confirmed this one of the upward movement. The price was falling and I jumped the gun, and what I did was predict that the price was going to rebound at that. It's because support level, and sometimes you don't have that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. We don't have clear criteria for confirmation. Not that it's not going to happen based on the structure, but the price is going to do that. Let's see in the last few seconds, and I won the position. Well, the last position I got is pay off while it's not the final range, $231. Look at the resistance that is being generated here. Remember, that is the variable. If the trade 1 minute out is variable, look at the rebound zone that they perform when near to the point. In M30 or 3, you can see that more clear. That's why I remark the M3, that is the M30 chart where the chart is lower. Remember that. And this marks a M10 zone. It are so short turns, round, right? Look, it's broke the minimum. So wait for the rebound and enter to the downside. But since it expired to the upside, I'll wait for it to come back here again, very close to where we're going to enter the upside. Although it doesn't have it here, you always have to look at the structure. I raised my count to 231. Okay, with the Chaos Fractal Strategy is Fractal Supersive. I will consider with the zone in some time you want. But we will be guided by the point. I hope you understand the strategy. It's not really technical analysis, it's more practice action. And this is mainly complex. Leave your comment on the video, let us know what you think, and see you in the channel's live stream, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. See you.